wanna build a snowman? Come on, let's go and play.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Beautiful Dopeness, Tasha here. I just want to show you guys a little bit of the garden because it's pretty frozen over. There's lots of ice out here still in Tennessee. I'm garden 7B, which doesn't matter because right now it's garden frozen. But y'all see that in the background? There's my little greenhouse and there's the iced over garden. Everything is gone. Like, I don't think anything survived, but I'm about to show you. Okay, so y'all, this is like solid ice right here. You see my foot sliding? Yeah, nothing but ice right here. So I gotta be careful trying to show you guys what's going on in my little garden. So give me a second to get through this little gate right here. You see the ice is cracking? Yep. It's sad when you have to literally salt your yard because that's how crazy this ice is. And no, we don't have any salt in the yard. I'm just saying. So anyways, that is one of my garden beds. Frozen. It was garlic. I think the garlic might be okay. We'll see when the ice melts, but that was some kale right there. Well, I had more than one, but that's one that I could see through the ice. And there's more chunks of ice. It's like the ice age back here. So let me unzip this greenhouse so y'all can see what survived inside. I also want to show you a better view of the greenhouse. I thought there was going to be like a big chunk of ice on top, but apparently it's held up through winter. But I still want a better greenhouse. I still want something a little bit more sturdier and bigger, of course, but this is just something just for now. The peas are gone. I didn't have anything in the brown container, the square brown container. My yarrow there's some green in there. I can laugh to keep from crying. My Agastache hyssop is surviving, is there. So that's a good thing. This is one of my fig trees. I'm gonna do a scratch test to see if it's still alive. And I see some green. So it's alive, that's good. Now the one next to it, I believe that's a fig tree too, but this thing is gone. It did not have no chance because, yeah. Yep, nothing, gone. It's okay though. It's all right. So just take a deep breath. Yep, that's the fig right there. My spinach, I don't want to talk about it. It didn't survive. It did not survive at all. Let's just close this on up. So yeah, I definitely want a better greenhouse for next year, but or next season, next growing season. But that's okay. None of my stuff on the table survived. My holy basil, and there were some carrots in there. It looked like it's a little green right there, so that might have survived. My beets are gone. My spinach, gone. I didn't cover any of this stuff up either. I should have done that, but I was just being one with nature, I guess, and decided to have faith. But everything in my green stalk, yeah, there's no coming back from this. Everything, all my kale, gone. But you know what? I have plenty of seeds, so I can always start over. I can winter sow or whatever, but I'm okay. I am not sad. I am okay. Okay, so this is my peach tree, one of my smaller peach trees, bonfire patio peach, and I'm going to do a scratch test. And it is alive. There is some green showing, so yep, there's the green. But this survives every year. I've had this since it was a tiny baby, and it's been surviving. And this is my bigger peach tree, Princess Peach. She's dormant right now. Hopefully I get a whole bunch of peaches in the spring, but this is some more garlic, and it's still green and growing. I think garlic survives through ice and snow, so I have high hopes. So the main thing that survived so far is my sad green stalk. The main thing that survived is my garlic and my Agastache hyssop. And this is nothing but a sheet of ice, y'all. Nothing but a sheet of ice. Okay, so now I want to show you guys my tomato bed. Look back there in the corner. That was my tomato bed for like the last 2 years. And look at it. That's how it looked in the spring. That's how it looks in the spring and summer. And now look at it. All the snow and ice was so heavy, it collapsed the structure of it. But it's all good because I was going to turn this into something else anyway. But still, my heart is broken, y'all. And a part of me wants to go check on my strawberries, my blueberry bushes over there. But this ice, you see my feet are still sliding and I don't feel like falling. Not on camera, so I will show you guys a different day. But y'all get the gist of it. There's a lot of ice in my backyard, in my garden area. So I'm just going to call it a loss for stuff that was lost. And it's all good. I cannot wait to see my garden in the spring because I'm just done with it. I'm done with it until springtime. Hey guys, before I close this video out, I just want to say that I got mail. So, I'm a part of a Facebook group. It's a garden group, I think. Yeah, is it a garden group? Yeah, it's a garden. I'm a part of a lot of garden groups, but this one in particular, there was a person who was basically giving away free garden seeds. And all you had to do was basically drop your name in the comments and let them know that you're interested in seeds. And of course, I had to let the person know. I don't remember the Facebook group, but it's a garden group. And I'm about to open the package up. So this is all the seeds I got for just the price of shipping. So I'm so excited. And I want to share it, share this with you guys. I'm kind of tired because it's like late at night on this part of the video. Ooh, I'm excited. I'm not picky, so I'll take whatever. No special requests. Let me show you guys. All right, guys, so I just opened the package, and first things first, eggplant, Green Knight hybrid. Never even heard of it. I didn't even know they had green eggplant. I've only seen the purple or the white, I think. And I grew purple eggplant last year, but they didn't work out too well. The ants in the backyard sure did attack it. And I thought to myself, I'm never going to grow this again. And we don't really eat eggplant, but we're going to start because I got some for free. So there I go. Brussels sprouts, Catskill, and then tomato super beef steak. I did need some of these, so I'm so thankful. I'm thankful for anything at this point. Like, free is free. Some Premier kale, some Lacinato kale, some double choice hybrid spinach, some onion Walla Walla, some blue Bantam pea, which is exciting, and then summer squash, bunching onion, white Lisbon, and small fancy mix gourd, Waltham butternut winter squash, and yellow pear tomatoes, San Marzano tomatoes. Oh, I never even heard of those. Okay. Winter squash vegetable spaghetti squash. That's exciting. Some garden sweet burpless hybrid cucumber. Tomato super sweet 100 hybrid. This has me so ready for spring just looking at all these seeds. Snowbird pea. And Hearts of Gold cantaloupe. Jubilee watermelon. Turnip greens, 7-top. Y'all, I was hooked up. Carrot touchon. That's how you say it. And iceberg lettuce. Some crimson giant radish. And some, crimson spineless okra. Now, last year I did grow red okra for the first time, so now I have the regular okra. I think it's just regular. Yeah, just the green okra. And then a few more, y'all. Garden Sweet Burpless Hybrid Cucumber. And, Big Max Pumpkin. Got a little bit of everything. Hale's Best Jumbo Cantaloupe. iceberg lettuce, and salad bowl lettuce. Y'all, I got so many packs of stuff, like OMG. I cannot wait to write him and tell him thank you. Like, that is so cool. Like, I love the idea that he paid it forward and decided to give a couple gardeners some free seeds just because out of the kindness of his heart, he just had a bunch of seeds that he wasn't gonna use and decided just to give them away for free. So all we had to do is cover shipping, and that is amazing. That is amazing. I love seed mail. It's like Christmas for me, like getting all this food in the mail. So that's exciting. I just want to share that with y'all. And I also have one more thing. Get this out the way. Okay, y'all, so this is a 72 cell plug seed starter tray. And I got it from Nature's Good Guys. That's the website. I will try to plug a link if I get a chance on the video. So it's pretty cool. And I ordered an extra tray to go underneath, or additional tray to go underneath to catch the water. So I can't wait to start some seeds finally. I'm not sure when I'll start some seeds, but I'm just excited I got the tray finally. So that's a start. But now that I have all these seeds, plus the seeds I have in my collection already as it is, it's over. What am I gonna grow first is the question. But I'm excited. I just need to get on it because I have been slacking. So that's that, y'all. If y'all made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you for watching, and please hit like, share, please comment if you can, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I would gladly see you on my next one. Bye.